Hey beauties, it's the Beauty here, also known as Shyhaze, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is all about Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Strips. This video is not sponsored, they just happened to send me this product and I decided to show you guys my first time using it and my true thoughts of this product. You can follow me on Instagram at dbeautyforever, and also don't forget to follow me on Snapchat at beautiful_haze spelled with 2 E's, just to see what I be posting and stuff. Yeah, it comes with this cool card that shows me how to apply the nail strips, and it comes in this gorgeous blue color as well as some accent nails. So without further ado, let's just start the video. Okay, so these are the strips here. Again, this is Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Strips, and this is the card that they sent me showing me how to apply the gel strips. These are my chubby bare naked fingers, and I can't wait to transform them for you guys. So the color of this, once it focus, and there we go, it's called Ray of Light GS15. And I'm just going to open up the package. So they do have 34 strips that it comes with, and this is an ultra shine gloss, so it looks exactly like gel nail polish, but it's not. As you can see, it does come with the blue color is the main focus color, and then it also comes with some accent nails, and that's the little nail file that you can use in order to file off the excess. So I would just like to take a second and show you guys the accent nail colors, which is so cute. You have a glitter one, a white one, and a very iridescent kind of striped one. So cute. And what I'm doing is just buffing my nails with the nail file that they sent. It's actually a pretty good nail file. I guess it'll probably be equivalent to those eyeshadow buffers that usually come with eyeshadow palettes. And what you see me doing here is actually measuring my finger to see which one would fit perfectly, and then I realized I could actually take off that whole plastic strip in order for it to flex and get the correct size. I do recommend that you go up a size when you're measuring the fingernail. So honestly, this was like super duper easy to use. Like, it reminded me of a time when my grandmother and I used to always put on these like little nail stickers. So it's so cool to have great quality and something that you could put on that will actually last. When I put these on, they were not moving. Like, once you set it and let it, you know, really adhere to your nails, it does not budge. What I'm doing right now is filing off the excess of the gel strip with this nail file. This nail file is so horrible. I got it from Target, and like it was so dull and so horrible. I ended up just pulling it off, and you can see the edge is kind of rough, but look at the shine. Look at that gloss. All right, just want to finish off filing it. I started using the nail file that came with it, but I'm just so used to having a bigger nail file in my hand that I ended up going back with my regular one. Y'all look at the look how shiny. Oh, look at my, ooh, yes, I was so happy, y'all. Like Hercules. I was honestly so happy. Like, I didn't have to use my LED light. I didn't have to use nothing but just apply these onto my natural nail, and it was popping. Like, honestly, once I was putting these on, I'm like, it's enough access for me to put these on some nail tips. And guess what your girl did? I actually was able to add some nail tips on and then apply these gel strips on there, and you guys will definitely see that in the next clip. Okay, so these are the full cover nails I added on, and I cut them so short. Like, I'm not used to short nails, but I cut them short enough just to add these on. And y'all, when you use this, actually, when you're doing like full cover nail tips that I'm using, make sure that you size up 2 sizes higher. So if you do your natural nail, go up 1 size, and then if you do like a fake nail, 2 sizes up, and you should be fine, y'all. And then I'm just using that little what you call it, the little nail file, in order to smooth it out a bit and get all those ripples and bubbles out. And then you can see I'm gonna go ahead and I'm actually gonna put on my other finger. I don't know why I did that. I honestly don't know why I did that. But anyways, I did it and it came out good. It came out popping. And what I like to do is bend the excess over and then file that excess polish off. And I don't know why I'm using this Target one again. Like, yeah. But anyways, the end product came out so popping. Make sure you guys comment down below if you would try these or not. I am going to leave all the information down below in the description box. You guys can follow them on Facebook and Instagram at _Diva_USA, and also their website dashanddiva.com. They also sell press-on nails It's basically, press-on nails is probably the same length as the full cup. Look at that shine. I got so distracted. Look at that shine, hunty. Yes. But look at this. Ooh, she's glossy. Don't mind that white pinky nail I did, y'all. I messed it up. I recorded it so late at night. But yes, I was giving y'all a look. But again, this is Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Strips. All information is going to be down below in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video.